Hello, this video is going to be a quick overview of your last unit, Unit 6, which is the Shakespearean drama Othello. So on the overview page, you can see we're going to talk about the genre features, talk about how do we read Othello, understand it, and possibly view it. You're going to get to work with generative AI again and help you creating some notes and understanding of what's happening in the play. You get to do another forum post with some reflection, and your final assignment is a complete critical analytical essay. So I just want to point out here, the actual text is provided in the course. And then if you wanted to watch the film, because that might help your understanding a little bit better, you can use these instructions here to watch them through the Norquest Library for free as well. I always encourage students to watch the film while reading along. It often helps create a better understanding. Okay, so as always, we want to make sure we don't click this next activity button. We just want to click these purple buttons or go through the table of contents. The first piece here just talks about the genre, a little quick plot overview, how do we read Shakespearean language, and then each act is set up the exact same way. So if we go into lesson for the Act 1, just wait for it to open here. So there'll be a quick review of what's going on in the act, and then you'll see here it says, hey, you are expected to use generative AI here. I encourage you to actually do this stuff before reading the act because it's going to start priming you for picking these things out as you're reading the Shakespearean text. So these are all going to focus on either plot, language, themes, or character, and you'll copy and paste these into Microsoft Copilot, and it'll obviously spit out some answers to you. You may want to reference back to the text and make sure that that's correct in terms of, is that quote in that specific act or scene? And then once you've gotten all these notes taken down, you can go ahead and read the act, or you can do it simultaneously, up to you. But when you're ready to read Act 1, you would click here. I'll open it up and you'll see the full act is here. So they're all just separated by acts. You're going to get to do, when you're done the act and you go into the check-in is going to ask you a few questions just to make sure you understand what's going on in terms of those four main areas of theme, plot, character, and language. And then your reading comprehension questions are right here as well. So just know that that's how each act is going to be set up. Then we have your generative AI creation. There's a video in that on how to do that. And then your full critical analytical essay. So that's a Shakespearean unit. If you have any questions, as per usual, please reach out to an instructor.